Hi, welcome students. Today in the lesson Biotechnology and its application part 6 we are going to discuss biopatents. The right granted by the government to an inventor to prevent others from commercial use of his invention. When patent is granted for biological entities or their products, it is named as biopatent. Industrial countries like US, Japan, European Union are awarding biopatents for strains of microbes, cell lines, genetically modified strains of plants and animals, DNA sequences, protein encoded by DNA, procedure of biotechnology, etc. As far as significance of biopatent is concerned, biopatent system allows private monopoly rights over cell, gene, transgenic plants and animals. It means that vital research information are shared because people fear that it would be patented by someone else. No individual or country can interfere in the area of research dominated by the patent holders. It provides patent holders a monopoly or control over resources for food and medicine. Biopiracy. Biopiracy is exploiting or patenting of biological resources of other nation without proper authorization from the country concerned is called biopiracy. As for example, the Thai Ministry of Science and Biotech Institute accused the British University Portsmouth of biopiracy as they refused to return nearly 200 strains of marine fungi to a drug manufacturing company for screening, as the fungi is believed to contain compounds for treating diseases like cancer and AIDS, worth millions of pounds. Thailand insists that keeping fungi without permission is the breach of international agreement. Patents have been taken out on plants such as black pepper, basmati rice, Indian mustard, pomegranate, and turmeric and neem. US, Japanese, and German companies are the principal patenting parades. Similarly, Nestle India has lined up a processing patent on cooked cereal, vegetable pulao, and parboiled rice at the Indian Patent Office, even though Indians have been making parboiled rice often as staple diet for centuries. Biowar. Biowar is the another important topic relating to this lesson, and a war fought by bioweapon against humans or their crop plants and the livestock or the animal they rear up is called bio war. Viruses, bacteria, fungi, spores, and toxins can be used as bioweapon. Bioweapons were used during the 20th century. In 1942, Britain developed a strategic amount of anthrax. In 1940s, Nazi prisoners infected with Rickettsia species, hepatitis A, Plasmodia species, and treated with investigational vaccine and drugs. In 1940s, Nazi secret agent was assassinated with botulinum toxin. Germany used Bacillus anthrax to infect livestock and animal feed exported to Allies. Diseases caused by bioweapon agents are anthrax, smallpox, plague, etc. Why is bioweapon used is a question. Bioweapons are low cost weapons. They cause far more casualties than chemical or conventional weapon. Once bioweapon agents are released, they are invisible, odorless, and tasteless. Protection against bioweapon, use of a respirator or gas mask, protective shelter, decontamination, and vaccination or antibiotics can be effective against its protection. This much in this video today. We shall discuss the remaining part tomorrow.